EvoDuster. Today's lineup features some amazing all-in-one products. You can pump, blow, dry, and dust with this versatile device. It's ideal for any adventure or chore, as the makers proudly claim. Check out the specs. It's only 200 grams, has 4 power levels, spins up to 100,000 revolutions per minute, and uses a 2700 mAh battery. It also has a neat LCD screen and a sleek design that radiates class and flair. It makes cleaning look stylish. To sum up, it's smart, sleek, and USB Type-C compatible. For $90, you can snag the gadget, cable, and 3 extras. Funsnap. Whether you're gaming or working, you need a cooling system to keep you chill. This fan was a huge hit on Kickstarter thanks to the AR Turbo technology. It cools the air by 25 degrees Celsius while being quiet and long-lasting. It also has 5 speed settings, a 60-degree fan angle adjustment, and a light weight of 235 grams. You can enjoy the breeze for just $35. Geco Hub. Shelves are not boring anymore. The Geco Hub organizers are proof of that. They have a flexible matrix that can hold all kinds of items, from watches to glasses. Just keep the total weight under 2.5 kilograms. The organizer is light enough to stick to the wall with adhesive strips. No screws needed. It's also made of silicone rubber, so it won't damage your stuff and it's easy to clean. Plus, you can mix and match the flexible parts and colors to make your own design. It's a smart deal for $30. Hestia. Are you ready for the total solar eclipse on April 8, 2024? The folks at Hestia are. They have a product that transforms your smartphone into a telescope, so you can watch eclipses, the moon, and other celestial sights. The concept is simple. Your smartphone is already powerful, so why not make it a telescope? The Hestia set includes an ocular with a tripod, and your smartphone does the rest with its hardware and a special app. You can zoom in 25 times to see the eclipse and enjoy the starry sky anytime. You can get the standard stargazing kit for $230. Mocap X. In 2021, mobile gamers spent a staggering $116 billion on their favorite games, which is more than 12 times Monaco's GDP. It's not surprising, considering the wide variety of games available, from puzzles to shooters. However, shooters present a challenge when it comes to aiming without a mouse or joystick, as it's not very convenient. Fortunately, a Californian team came up with clever glasses that turn your head into a controller. So now you can simply look at your target and shoot. This means that you can aim 200% faster with 50% less finger movement and a cleaner screen. These glasses work with both Android and iOS devices. What more could you ask for? Besides, they're also compatible with consoles, including the Steam Deck. And all of this comes at a price of $89. shaper trace. Designers and artists will love this. A sketch on paper or a screen becomes a vector SVG file in seconds. Just put the special frame over the sketch, snap a photo with your smartphone, and voila! You can shoot from any angle, and the clever app will fix any perspective distortion. And you can import the whole sketch or just parts of it. You can also mix and match it with other sketches, shapes, and text as you like. The frame has a 178 by 268 millimeter capture area. And they threw in a pen for some reason, but you don't have to use it. The frame, pen, and app combo costs $80.